Hey there, this is Kurt Skeen from the Career Network Club. One of the questions I get asked quite often is, does it make sense to invest in a career coach? And I can tell you the short answer, in almost every case, it does. But let me demonstrate and explain how this works so that you understand, in your case, if it would help you. I created this little ROI calculator. You come in, this is free on the internet for you to use. There's no tricks, there's no sign up. There's no nothing. You just come up and use it. I have a little bit of an introduction. It just talks about how I calculate the process. And here's how the system is generated. It calculates the number of days that you believe you're going to be unemployed. And based on the salary you're targeting, it comes up with how much it costs you for every day you're unemployed. Then it tries to figure out how many days a career coach could help reduce that number. So in fact, that would be your savings. And it bases it on this. If a coach offers you services in coaching, that's going to take 5% less time for you, 2% for interview, 2% for LinkedIn. Now, you'll notice I tried to be really conservative with these numbers, so nobody thought and said, you're just creating numbers so that it works in hiring a coach manner every time. No, I wanted to make sure that I was decently honest and accurate. And quite honestly, you'll find it at the end. It almost doesn't matter what you make. Hiring someone to help you, if they're good, if they know what they're doing, and can move your skill set forward, almost 100% of the time, you're going to save money or make money, however you look at it. But let's go through the process. Okay, so it asks my name, and most of the time I get that right. It asks my email address. Now, understand, we do ask your email address, but we do nothing with it. You're not going to be on a mailing list. You're not going to be hounded for anything. It's just we collect it because we do. All right. Then it says, what is your target salary? Let's say my target salary is $85,000. All right. All right. And then it asks you a very simple question. It says, how long, Kurt, do you think you'll be out if you're doing this whole thing on your own? No help, no guidance. You're just going to go out and try and find a job on your own. You're almost guessing a number, but here's what the number is. What most people think is you're going to be out a month for every 10 grand that you make. So in this case, you're going to be out 8.5 months. So we'll take 8.5. We'll put that in there. We'll go to the next line. Now it says, how much of a coaching fee are you considering? And the numbers are all over the map. I've seen people charge $500. I've seen them charge $5,000, $10,000. I'm about $1,500. All right. But I do, the quicker you get hired, the less you pay. It's kind of a pay for performance thing. So we'll say 1,500, not 15,000. And it asks you what kind of services, because it wants to calculate. It's the services that someone offers you that helps you get back to work quicker. So I'm going to pick the obvious ones: career coaching, resume writing, some LinkedIn coaching, and interview skills. When I put down there resume writing, that's really not a complete overhaul of your resume, but it really depends on the coach. And then I go forward. It says, we have estimated that the recovered salary in 8 months would be $8,800. All right. And so it says, we suggest you hire a coach because based on what we see, you're going to get back to work 11% faster, saving you $8,800 in lost income. And it's that simple. It's a very simple math calculation that says how long do you need to work, or how long will it take you to find a job? How long will it take you to find if you got some help, and that help was to offer you some services that should inherently reduce your time, and then it comes up with a number. Using this as much as I have in the last little while, it does seem pretty clear that in most cases, for most professionals, hiring a coach is going to get them back to work faster and be a much more enjoyable process. Anyways, I put this little tool together for you folks to use. I hope you appreciate it. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at the Career Network Club. We'd love to help you answer your questions and definitely get you back to work quick and easy. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.